Okay, once again, greetings to you wherever that you're watching us from. Here is the transformation factor. I'm telling you, you need to have an encounter one day to testify to the glory of God that indeed God is still using his servant, Prophet Kibmanokin, the state seer. So far as you have a Ghana card, he remains your state seer. I am Pastor Jim. I am your messenger of God through the state seer, Prophet KB Manokin. Today was one of the wonderful Fridays that we experienced the power of God here. We experience the power of God. I'm telling you. There be also beba beba beba. Mami, uche, uche. Mami, how are you?
I'm fine.
Today that I catch you here.
Yes.
How is the feeling?
Yeah, I was surprised though because today is my first day here, so I was really surprised.
So upon the prophecies that were laid down, which one shocked you most, and what will you say about that prophecy?
Okay, so somewhere last year, someone promised me to help me with apartments and other things, but I don't know what happened. The person just didn't show up again, and that was it.
That was it.
Yes.
Someone promised to help you, and the person wanted to even rent an apartment for you. But at the end of the day, whatever the person promised, the person didn't fulfill it.
Yes. And then he also said something about when I'm going out, cobwebs and things, which were very true.
Sometimes when you are walking, you will see something like web on your face. That thing has been taking your glory from you. But as I'm praying for you right now, someone fought your mother, and the person is still fighting the children of your mother.
You experience it all the time.
All the time. So I was like,
I was like, yes.
today was the first time I saw him on television. No, yesterday actually.
So you just saw him on TV yesterday, just yesterday.
Yes.
Just saw him yesterday.
Just yesterday.
You make that move today.
Yes. So
And
I was like, he wanted to come. I'm like, okay, if you want to come, then I'll come with you. So we're going and we talked to one of my friends. He said he will follow us. So that was how come we came here. Today is my first day here.
You just watched me yesterday. And
Just come. I just watched yesterday. He said to come today.
have you received a prophetic word before from a prophet? Very deep like this one? You do prophesy to, you travel, you get married, blah, 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 but not deep at this one.
This is a second one, but like this one is really like deeper. Yeah. So right now, here's my home.
It's a lie. You always say, let's wait, come here. This is what they normally say. They will, this place there, I will die here, I will die here. By the time you realize they are dying in somebody's room. Someone is watching you, so you have any word?
I just want to tell them that this is a true man of God, so they can come here and testify themselves.
Just come and testify it yourself. God bless you. We are here in Medina Bokobi, their transformation factory. Friday, I'm inviting you. God bless you. Still here with those who were benefited from today's grace. I'm telling you, sometimes I keep telling you that you need to meet in one-on-one, have an encounter. Come, let's join our hands together. Service, yes, let's worship together. When the eye opens on you, I'm telling you, you will testify that indeed Christ is Lord. Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine, good.
Are you okay?
Yes, please.
How is the prophecy?
Oh, it was marvelous.
Marvelous.
Even
What makes it marvelous?
the moment he mentions my name,
Sly. The first saying, Sly. God said, I should tell you, your door will be open. Sylvester Kobena.
Yes, please, Sylvester.
Sylvester Kobena. Your door will be open, and you are the pillar of your family.
I was like,
Is that not your name?
man. He mentioned my full name.
Is that not your name?
That's my name.
So why? What makes it?
And I was like,
Is that not your name?
it was, please. It was my name. And I was so shocked.
Why?
Why? Because though I believe in prophecies, but such prophecy, the man of God gave it to me, I was shocked. In fact, it was beyond the understanding of man. And she mentioned my Madam Cashier from the job that I do.
Yes.
Madam Christie.
Yes.
Hey.
Who is Christina? Why am I hearing Christina? Christina Darko. Someone will be proud of you because I'm seeing you giving the person and that person's children money. God is about to use you to transform life, and you will enter into real estate as well.
So how did he know my madam's name?
That makes me see it.
I was shocked.
You're sure.
Yes.
You're sure. You're sure.
Yes.
You're sure.
Yes.
You're sure.
Shocked.
You're sure. Why show Difu? And young Quanchen Difu no shall you've met a major prophet of God. Yes, yeah, but Yan Chinkotofia and Monkofia say, or Yam Yajuma. When you come here, you demonstrate God's power to you for you to believe it that indeed God is still reigning. He's not here to joke. He's here to speak the mind of God concerning your life. And the hidden things that the witches and the wizards, whatever that they've planned, they've plotted against you, here, when you come, I'm telling you, it will be unveiled. Fridays here in Medina Bokobi, if I close to Kumasi, that means let's meet this man of God at Atosu or Putuja on every Sundays. You will testify. You come back and testify. I'm telling you. Meaning, Mr. Coming Friday, you be share and answer Sunday. Oh, Kumasi Atosu or Putuja. All right, your messenger. I'm still here feeding you with the messages. You couldn't make it. That's why I'm here. So don't worry. I'll give you all the details.
Atomiso.
What's it?
Atomiso.
Then I told you. The men bag and answer body and by it.
The enemy many who any them the maswatin.
I am wrong.
My emre.
Then I'm why I am and Bobo.
If you are meetimu, if you are meetimu cramp,
What name address?
address
A new trim.
any meeting
Until so trogu board in the so.
Mama, with him son number we.
minimum
Hey, then
a house number.
house number. Why house number?
Me fear.
With you, it's what to hobiana. What to hobby? Mechrawadi. Prophesy, Major.
Do you don't say your dinner?
Okay, the entire me who say media no me ko fill some forms bi na me try address ni go me phone note mu enti tam o kai no eno kwa na say me na bibi ye me say me bia me phone note mu na me hwe enti me bia na me hu say address ni ye me ma address pepepe enti like me ye mu hye me say if you meet me nya me no neti enti e de na hu me fi address ama me krampa meet mu krampo no kwa me nim
Nankoponi. Oh, bana de wunim no. O ka kire wa enya nwanwa bim. Normal, but the wunim no. De hinta de asie no. Na awrade abie so ama.
de toso mi yonu so no de sanso mami like I say me yemu hye me prekope me ma me a wo bear for yi
E be gina wachi. Kan some chodi for say omo a o.
Already.
With him, my dear me, who ye? Oh, mammy, why? Oh, mammy, a free. Oh, mammy, a free. Shadia. Ne mammy, a begina nechi. And walk catch them say, men can't tell the banner say, ne time on soon. Sunny birthday we, and my impie on shadow.
Mammy, some my edo.
Edrom or dimachin so. As I bomb me, me dim bomb, Yankasami, me jam say din.
One the grace. Grace appear. Oh, mammy. Mate Sarah Kusi. Everybody say men can't just say, why you wait through room?
Goose boss Craig.
What's say? What's the name go?
Goose boss.
Goose boss. Are you dying?
I was saying.
And if goose boss. Goose boss are coming. Goose boss have community. Monya would tell me quack or daka crabba. Oh,
My birthday. My birthday 26 February.
oh my CN County and 9 February. Or CN County from Ochina 10th February. Then county 17 days. A basic 26 February.
I am Monday.
Monday is your birthday.
Birthday. Uncle, my mother just come name
I will pay. But Johnny.
Mon kind 17 days. Now, Moshe baby a busy mammy. If rich now. A busy that way.
Monday. Monday.
A busy Monday. Date near say 26 day. 26 February. 26 February. A your day.
My birthday.
Who birthday?
Celebrate the grace. Hey!
Let's now, dear. Already, I at the Cassiama Minia Bay. Oh, Yanni Bia, a hat and a winner. Shadia said, Ne birthday, I got 17 days. No, we didn't birthday. A busy Monday. Me who said, Ne now for 4 the knuckle baby. To say baby, I swim me. Mati baby say Libya. mate baabi sɛ Libya na mahunu te sɛ deɛ yɛsweme wɔ hɔ na mahunu te sɛ deɛ yɛsweme ɛwɔ baabi sɛ Libya wo sɛ te sɛ baabi a swimming pool wɔ hɔ ɛna mahunu te sɛ deɛ ɔmode wei akɔ hɔ ɔmode ne kɔkɔ wura hɔ no na wakɔ akɔwu wɔ hɔ ne birthday mu a eti Monday awia 2:30 anka ga wei bɛfiri
ene nka magimani nso
Kawajiani o.
se pass mama tene die anhwe a menye hwe kra se pie kra beba mani so bi
Odi for se me pienti ka se me hwe.
pie kra mpo bium
Ye benden.
meka dem
Ati ne benden.
oh me
Kana card be kwa kwesa anyem nya famam. Ayodi he is a prophet. If you see, you see. If you don't see, come and join hands. Oh what dear, oh what dear, mama. Mo bien two foot wrong when me say oh what dear, and nine kitano no what dear, would in what dear.
Emma osaso ka makwantu asem me ye wo mitima ne se metu kwan
afe ɛdan biem na wopɛ wopɛ sɛ otu kwan ofe akwantuo no so wi ɛdan biem na wopɛ opa ware sese yɛ nneɛma mienu country a wopɛ sɛ wokɔ no kan wo tirim
entino miminim se ma difuo no
betu kwan
die ah
ko di birthday no
mi ensa na me boy minim se mu baako tiri ni na mepɛ ti minim se mu baako bɛyɛ me da
nyamote bra country be na pesoko
me three country Canada UK and US
e be ko tashiman maybe second tapo Christo din ane apeja ofia say ni 2 minute eye adwuma or the need force eye adwuma anu ntina dan de me ka cho say ade so ne so no bra awrade be sio tie e mo bia na da nyame wo ho nyame tumi wo ho se nyama wo nyina Christo tumi nye se nyankopɔ tumi nye dia ene me ka da bia say ma yenko asori yento bible no ntontwene ba yentumi so nkase yenko asori ane ato bible na to atwentim ye gidi se Christo wo ni tumi ye adwuma bra obeduru ase a awrade fa so na wa mo nu sampa Christo tumi ni din no tumi wo san se waka se edin ba ko pɛ no ama so asase so na asase ase edin Yesu Christo oba kotodwe nyina akoto sai de nko a oba obeduru ase obebɔ da kyerɛw amohun tumi ewo mu na wa demonstrate see God's power. You love it. You will love it. Friday Madina Bokobi, Sundays Kumasi Atonso Putoja. Okay, egusu dinko mama yellow I say
nyame adom
mo dwiri won
me ho adwiri me pa
sao
because enkom sure share me no e yade a me ba ha no na me so sa dan ne say ye mo operation tino like me wan
na be pia ne yanso
already na ngaza no me a me hwe TV su bia me se papa we di ofinya me enti me ba na ma be so ahwe
no be so ahwe na ready so surprise zima
e na ma
apoka no
eja adom
mo ahwa na me nimisi na botre
mama place your hands on your tummy as I'm praying for you right now. Any demonic attack that will cause operation, emergency operation, you are out of it. 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 Receive power.
Like papa no adom wono so enya fake. Enya fake. Obi otumi hye nkoma wo TV akire kura a wosi etumi
good na sister ne say the friend goose boss hey o de akire be kasa
nti no mesiri bia say on the ombla no be so hwe na papa ne de adom ete no so no
no thing
ano ye din
adom na won so ano din yensha Friday Madina Bokobi anakomase Sundays Atonso Putoja wo obeyensha hallelujah oh me who ye who ye
cho me we na so e
for I am mre
me da so nyina sa
ni da so san ye Christo tiasi na odi ni di fama ye de ani da so ho ani da so
me fifie bada me nya na easy by me buy me beti preaching the way anwoma si ko ne ade na ma they say me ho ayedi
preach ne kurankwa ma ho ayodin
me ti wonyina na ma me nti man kasa kwa na me cheche me were
preach na ma ho ayodin
sa
ma me na kansem ne nkomu bebre de be ka kire wa ne say if other way yen show Madina Bokobi Kumase so ayem atonso putoja na wo enye nkom hwe word ne be free ne ho aba no ebe mo nsampa etwa se ohunu se akoma ebe to yem Kristo nyakisi. Okay mama oye
Pacho ai
na koso de ni mo
me pacho ne akoso ne se me de me ba panyin mpo na
bon ho mpae
me bo ne ho mpae na me sore kwa abontin ko didie me bae no di for frɛ me ebisa me se hwan na di mercy na me se emia gifty me se emia ba me se emia me di no wabɔ tu ase nyina
ogina ni fie na obi ka se ono mercy no mercy na masan hunu gifty mercy gifty ba
na me ba boy e ba ko pɛ ne papa de na akɔ London akɔbɔ ne masters wo December oba kra ha o so ma me nkyɛn we nchi menim reason me ye ya wa ma me besra no ne me di nkɔmɔ so kɔye no yare ne o man kɔso yi
nti de no di for kafa on be so obi o hwe so tie wo so de na onye gidi bu no di to anamo
pa me ho ne se otumi hu se me kyerɛ ade wo presby school we nchi
mijina enchi
pacho na me fi
mijina enchi sesie hwe wo be kwa kodru enchi no na otamfo bi da from why ade na mijina enchi presby wo kyerɛ ade wo presby atamfo a we a headmistress ho
no bodi bi so okutu minimo bi e frɛ no okutu ono ye JHS head
ba bia wo no what did they say okutu
no oye head teacher bi wo presby
wo ho a wo enchi ho
no kan say atamfo a sɔre me so school ho nyina nyame bebrɛ mo ase eye ne ekoso wo mabra bom ti me ba no beka so bi di machimpo
pian
VIP a me fo ye be say premium nso na ma sinkete se
obeba nyame na nedo
same ho nyame akasa me ho nti me frɛfrɛ obi bia enchi asenkregu atakwa elibo obia de so ada ne so bia omra ha na nyame de ne nsa beka no obefa prophet so no wagye no
obia de so ada ne so bia bra me see wonya ba bedru ase a nyabotre nyagidie transidin ti asam na eba no na fo wie no tesi nkom shado ma chede ne ma awrade be mo say ono na afre na koa wa friend na ma me no mienu say awrade be fa no so ama wo wa ba be yensha Kristo asumdwe enya odia Fridays yensha ma din abokobi Sundays United States of Atonso Putoja ye be shia ba ji Kristo adi
Hallelujah.